It's time to assemble that engine that you've been itching to build for your particular project. Now, there are lots of choices out there when it comes to assembly lubrication. Assembly Go, regular motor oil, tried and tested Torco STP, and right here we got the comp cam and lifter installation that usually comes with the comp cam kit. Now, the idea behind any of these assembly lubricants is it's going to provide a film, a protective film, against metal-to-metal contact, which is what you want when you're assembling your engine. Now, which one you use is going to be purely up to you. In the past, my very first engine build, I simply used the STP oil treatment to assemble the engine against the initial ravages of the startup procedure. Not only did it do an adequate job, it lasted, because this wasn't something that I did completely in one day. It took me several days of building, like all of us the way we work. Yeah, but anyway, it took me several days of building to do it. Now, Torco states that it has viscosity, it is soluble lubricant, while providing anti-friction and so forth and so on, and even cushioning, right? And it says it will not drop. Nothing against Torco, but if you see right there underneath the engine, you'll see where the Torco has dropped. Now, in all fairness, it's been over 95 degrees out here in the garage, 97, 100. But let's get back to the point at hand. This time around, I'm going to be using the Assembly Go, which I purposely bought when I was doing some air conditioning work to hold the O-rings. One of the reasons I'm choosing this is because, as you can see, this is really quite solid. It's actually been out, not solid, but it's firm. Nice thick consistency. This stuff is soluble on startup and will be easily absorbed and won't do any harm to any system. This is actually sat in the bed of the truck out in the hot sun. As you can see right there, that's the only liquid that has come out of solution with this particular grease. This is the one I'm going to use. Which one you use is going to depend on a lot of things. If you're quick and can assemble it real quickly, you could probably get away with using just motor oil to keep that metal-to-metal contact down. Torco, STP, it doesn't matter. The key thing, use some type of lubricant. So, for me, cam is going to get slatted with it, so is the crank, and all of the bearings in the 302. So, I'm going to get busy. I'll be back with you later. Willie from the No Bucks Garage. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you soon.